friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Terry, also known as the Inspired Planner, and today we're going to take a look at Tula XII's newest creative kit, The Art of Planning and Journaling. Alright friends, let's dive right into this. Tula XII has launched a new creative kit. We are calling them The Art of Planning and Journaling, and this one is for September of 2024. It is an adorable little mushroom theme. Pardon the crinkle. Let's go ahead and take everything out so you can see exactly what it comes with. Now, this is different than our past creative kits because this comes with an insert, and you get to choose between whether you want a medium, large, or extra large. So I'm actually going to dive right in and start with the insert so that you can see how cool this really is. So it's going to come with this beautiful colored front cover. We open right up to a coloring page. We have a monthly calendar layout that we get to update. We've got some boxes over here for this month, which can be events, goals, highlights. You can cover those up and do something different if you'd like. We've got a morning routine, evening routine, and then we have some series of dot grid pages that you can either use for creativity and journaling, or you can use for planning. And you can make them as creative or non-creative as you'd like. I know a lot of people prefer just to have everything kind of like black and white when they're doing planning or even journaling. I like to get super creative, so I'm really excited about this. Then we also have a cute little tracker that you can use for various different things. To-do boxes, if you want to keep some lists to handy, or maybe there's some projects that you want to do, like clean the garage, clean a closet, that kind of thing. We've got some more fun boxes over here. We've got a note page, and then we have currently, this is one of my favorite pages, currently reading, watching, listening to, celebrating, loving, and making. And then we have these cute little Polaroid pictures, another coloring page, do more of, do less of, and then we have some wrap up. So we've got some more boxes to fill in. We've got some goals and events for next month that are coming up. And then we have a pen test page. Now the size that I have here is a large. I did have a previous one. I got to test this out a little bit early, so I also have the medium. I'm going to show you in just a few minutes what I did with this one, but this is the one that I will be using at the end of the month to get this set up for September. So with your kit, you are going to get the insert. You're also going to get a coffee coaster, which I already have out. You're going to get a nice little journal card that has the month of September calendar already on it. You can also turn this over if you want to decorate the back side. This will make a great little tip in. It also comes with an adorable little mushroom die cut, an exclusive stencil. Now this has, let me see if I can show this a little bit better to you. There we go. So we've got some mushrooms on here. We've got some lines. We've got some just doodles, some arrows, and then some functional boxes that you can use however you'd like to use them. And then it also comes with 2 sticker sheets. So you'll notice this one has September on it. It has the numbers for the days of dates of the week, also a set of days of the week, and then you've got some cute little banner stickers, some squares, some functional stickers, and then also some cute little graphics. And then on this page, we've got some washi stickers as well as some other cute little graphics as well. So let me go ahead and show you what I did for my test one. So I'm going to go ahead and slide this out of the way real quick. So I was lucky I got to test this out before we launched it. And so I'm just going to show you kind of the things that I did. I did have some extra stickers left over. So what I did was make a little sticker page here so that I would have them handy. I just used some sticker back paper and then put the stickers right on top of them. Calendar, because I was testing it in the month of July, that's why September's still there. I went ahead and did it for July so that I could use it. Filled in and colored in my routine and my boxes. Now I chose to use one of our stencils that actually made calendar boxes, but there's other cute ways that you can do some type of a routine for yourself. And we are going to talk about those in my group. Then currently boxes, of course, I have not colored that in. I decided to try a weather tracker. Now I had seen people do it, wasn't sure how I felt about it, but it was kind of fun. I did stop everything in this on the 21st though, because I was taking this to our conference, and I just haven't updated it since I took it with me and was showing people everything there. So forgive that part, but this was kind of neat to do. So I also used our stencils over here to create a key and just kind of kept track of my weather that way. Also did a one-line challenge. These are super fun if you need some creativity from a journaling standpoint. Today was, and then you just fill in the line. I also did a sleep tracker. This was telling, but also not telling, because I know I don't get enough sleep, but it was kind of interesting to actually write it down and see how much sleep I actually don't get. So this was kind of neat to do. I will probably do this one again in the future. Then I decided to use my tracker as a water tracker. Clearly I don't drink enough water or as much water as I should. But again, I put a key here in hopes that I would actually do that. Then my to-do boxes, I just kind of did them on a daily basis when I had a lot to do and I could just pick this up and go and just check off the things as I got them done. But like I said earlier, I do think this would be a great project to-do list. Then other boxes over here, I simply used as affirmation boxes, which I thought was super fun. Didn't do anything with notes at this point. And then these fun boxes I did as a word of the day. Now I'm going to show you the original page because you might not remember, and I did change it up just a little bit. So this is the original page. And then this is what I turned it into. So I just added some lines to all of those boxes and then literally was writing in a word of the day. So I just made sure I had enough days for the month. Do more of, you could do however you want. You could put pictures, you could do something really creative. I just said reading, scrapbooking, and cooking, and do less worrying and overthinking. If you know me, you know. And then I never got to the wrap up part because, like I said, I stopped on the 21st, but I did get to color in some of my boxes. And then for the last page, of course, I did a pen test. I can tell you I like mild liners best in this because there's less bleed through than Tombow, but I also did a stencil test, which I thought was super helpful because I like to see what the stencils look like before I actually start using them in my layouts and my spreads. So this was really helpful to just kind of take that back page and do a stencil test as well. So I hope that you are loving our new Art of Planning and Journaling kit. These will be available. This particular kit, the mushroom one for September, will be available through the end of August. In September, we will have another one roll out. And so we will have a different kit every month that launches in or around the 9th of the month. And then we will have that through the end of that current month for the next month. So if you would like more information, I have all of the details in the description below. We are going to be doing something super fun over in my Facebook community. So if you'd like to hang out with us and join me, let me know. The link is also in the description and I would love to see you there. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This is something brand new and we are super excited about it. So thank you guys so much for joining me. If you have not liked and subscribed my channel yet, I sure would appreciate if you do. And if you know somebody that might be interested in this or would love to see this video, please feel free to share it out. I'll see you guys real soon. Take care, everybody.